In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run depreciation in Xero. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to help you manage your fixed assets efficiently. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Consider this your home base, where you get a comprehensive overview of your financial stance. From here, the journey towards running depreciation starts with the accounting menu. Glide your eyes over to it and give it a click. This simple action expands the menu, revealing a treasure trove of accounting options that will guide us further along. Amongst these newfound options, we're on the lookout for fixed assets. Clicking on this will transport you to the section where all your company's fixed assets are neatly managed. Once there, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice a tab named Registered. Click on it to lay eyes on a list of all assets that have been registered under your Xero account's watchful eye. Now comes the pivotal moment. Running the depreciation. Depreciation is more than just a buzzword. It's the process that helps you spread an asset's cost over its useful lifespan, giving you a clearer picture of value over time. On this page, keep a lookout for the Run Depreciation button. When you find it, don't be shy. Clicking it opens up a new window asking for a date selection. You're now tasked with entering the appropriate date on which you wish the depreciation to be recorded. The date is not just a number. It must align harmoniously with your financial reporting period to ensure everything's synced perfectly. With the date carefully chosen, it's time to confirm your choice. Clicking the Confirm button is like putting an official stamp on your decision, finalizing the depreciation run for the selected period. Before proceeding, it's worth pausing for a quick review to double-check that every detail aligns with your expectations. This little moment of diligence can prevent larger issues down the road. Having confirmed, you'll head back to the Registered tab. This is where you'll find the fruits of your labor, adjusted asset values reflecting the newly calculated depreciation. Taking the time to scrutinize these values ensures that each entry has been processed correctly and that the numbers make sense in the broader picture of your business's financial landscape. And there you have it. You've successfully run and recorded depreciation in Xero. This feature within Xero is more than just a utility. It's a robust tool that empowers you to stay ahead in asset management, making pivotal business decisions with greater precision and ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.